Welcome. This video explains very briefly, hopefully, how to get around the Blackboard course that I've set up for the GLY1000 class. So once you've gone to Blackboard, well, make sure to click on the GLY1000. Let's see, your section is 194803. If you're spring 2015, the section number will probably be different. This is after 2015. Okay, so once you go into your class, you'll be in the My Dashboard page. Okay, this is where you might find under announcements, where you might find announcements. There might be a to-do list of things due. But what's most important is in the green sidebar. Okay, these links are what you want to click to be able to get to different things. So if you click on syllabus, it'll take you to my profile page, which on the website looks like this. And this is where you can get to any and all of the syllabi. But this one right here is one for the GLY1000 for spring 2015. And you click here, and it'll bring up the syllabus, okay, which looks like this, but this is the Earth Science one that's up here right now. Okay, it explains all the ins and outs of this course, grading, what textbook, etc. Okay, then if you click on class handouts, then you'll get a link to the class schedule. And that's a PDF file that lists every assignment and all the due dates and the dates for when the exams are. Okay, if you click on Introduction to the Course, this takes you to a lesson area that has a little information about all the assignments we do for the class, how do you go about taking a class, links for the intro video, which hopefully you've already watched, and the link for this video. Okay. Also a quick link to the general discussion board where you can post questions that you think maybe some of the other students might be able to help you out with. Also, I hope to monitor that discussion board in case there's anything I need to help out with. Another link to the class handouts, and another link to textbook information. Okay. Primarily you're going to go to the lessons area. Now the lessons area, it's going to show you, well, here's a link to introduction again. But here's the very first unit, and over time the units will open up as eventually, like right now, all you can see is the introduction, unit 1, and the folders where the midterm exam will be and the final exam will be. But in 2 weeks or so, unit 2 will show up. Okay, so you click here on the blue link, and it'll take you into that unit. And in that unit, you'll see your course objectives again. Then you'll see list the assignments for the unit. In the middle here, there's a little bit of a table of contents. So you can click on the folder for the video lectures. So you can go watch the different videos for the course. You can find the lecture PowerPoints. You can also get to the discussion board and the current events. The first discussion board is some question about plate tectonics. So you want to read the question and the instructions below the questions, the reminders about the instructions how to do the lab. You want to click on the click to launch to go into the editor for making your discussion board post. Okay, you can also get to your current event in the table of contents, and also there's a link to additional videos and animations. Okay, some of these videos for the geology class are actually located up on the media server, Palm Beach State. Very good series on geology, a lot of good detail. But many of the videos will actually be videos from YouTube. Bill Nye the Science Guy, Seafloor Spreading is a fun one. You also find your labs, and your labs will be in various formats. Either it'll be an assignment format, where it might be a downloadable worksheet for you to use, but then you want to click on the right submission button in order to enter your answers. Or I may have used a quiz format also for simplicity in asking each one of the questions in the assignment and then for you to respond. But if that's the case, it's not a time limit like a regular quiz. It's really meant to be a lab. Also, you'll find your link to your quiz for the unit. When you launch that, you'll have 30 minutes to answer 12 questions, multiple choice, true, false, each worth 1 point. Okay, so remember every other week or so, check for the next unit and do the assignments and do the readings. As it is important to read the textbook, I can't guarantee that every question on a quiz or exam is actually in my audio lectures. They add additional facts as the additions to the textbook change, and so definitely want to be careful. You definitely want to read the textbook for deeper understanding and be able to do better on the exams. Below the lessons link, there's a direct link to this discussion board and current events. As the units open up, more of the discussion board and current event items will open up as well. So here you see a direct link to plate tectonics for Unit 1, direct link to the current event for Unit 2, discussion board. You also see links to the student introductions board where you guys can introduce yourselves, get to know your classmates. Here's the general course questions virtual office discussion board here, which is a good one to ask question. If you think other students may have the answer, it's not absolutely urgent that you get the answer from me directly, or just to see if how everybody else is doing. Okay. There are additional links over here on the left side. There's a student resources link. Also, it's important, it's a course mail link. We're going to send a direct message to me or to other students. This is where you would go. Also see the replies for that. It's separate from your email, and it's all within the course. There's a link to my grades. So you go into my grades. You'll be able to see what your grades are after you've done the assignments. You'll see what your grades are, the total points possible. Also, it's all the assignments. So there are quite a few in this course. And so anyways, that's a basic introduction to Blackboard for the class. Please feel free to email me any questions you have, or if you think something's not quite working or you can't find something in Blackboard, please email me and I'll help you find it. Good luck with the course.